In this session on using the FPIB Permit Holder portal, we look at how to submit an application for a new permit. First, enter your login details. Once logged in, click on the Permits tab on the top menu bar. Click on Application Renewal. Click on the green New Application button. Select the application type. This will either be a new application or expired new. Then enter the permit type. Select your account name and click the New Application button. Click the blue drop-down arrow and click Edit. Click on the license type you're applying for. Respond to classification by selecting either Qualified or Trainee. Fill in all the fields of the applicant details for EAHL. Select title and enter your first and last name. Provide your date of birth. Enter your gender, business number, mobile, and personal and business emails. If your postal and residential address are the same, tick on the box below. If you're an individual, ensure that you read the declarations section and tick any box that is applicable to you. After reading this, respond to the suitability declaration. Answer the employment details section. If answering yes, enter employer details. Read through the documents you will need, the license conditions, and your application checklist. Look through the applicant's declaration section. Sign your signature with your trackpad in the signature box and click the small square in the corner to attach it. To add your required application documents, click Select on the yellow Add Files. Once ready to submit your application, click on the Submit Application for Processing box. Click on the yellow Save button and your application will be ready for your review by the FPIB Licensing Coordinator team. Your open application will be at the top of the table under Open Applications. You can keep track of its status by looking under the Status Reason column. And that's how you can apply for a permit with ease using the FPIB Permit Holder portal. As always, if you need assistance, you can contact the friendly FPIB team.